Wolves are some of the most powerful animals on Earth. What if I told you not all wolves are the same? Some can survive in temperatures colder than Antarctica. Some travel hundreds of miles without stopping. And one doesn't even look like a wolf. Today, you'll discover wolf types you didn't even know existed. Most people think a wolf is just a wolf. But in reality, there are many different types, each adapted to extreme environments. From frozen tundras to deserts to deep forests. Let's explore the most fascinating ones. One of the toughest wolves on Earth, the Arctic wolf. Living in freezing conditions, this wolf survives where most animals would die. Its thick white fur helps it blend into snow and survive temperatures below -40 degrees. It can go days without food and still keep moving. Gray wolf. The most common wolf, but far from ordinary. The gray wolf is found across North America, Europe, and Asia. Highly intelligent, they hunt in packs with perfect teamwork. Each member has a role, making them deadly hunters. Arabian wolf. Now imagine a wolf living in the desert. The Arabian wolf is smaller, leaner, and built for extreme heat. Unlike other wolves, it can survive with very little water, and it often hunts alone instead of in packs. Ethiopian wolf. One of the rarest wolves in the world, the Ethiopian wolf looks more like a fox than a wolf. It lives in the mountains of Africa and feeds mainly on small rodents. Today, it's critically endangered, making it one of the most unique wolves alive. Timber wolf. Also known as the forest wolf. The timber wolf lives in deep forests. It's larger, stronger, and perfectly adapted for hunting large prey. Silent, fast, and powerful. Red wolf. A wolf that almost disappeared forever. The red wolf is one of the rarest wolves in North America. With its reddish fur, it stands out from other wolves. But today, only a small number remain in the wild. Fun facts. Here's what makes wolves truly incredible. They can travel over 30 miles in a single day. Their howl can be heard from miles away. They have incredible teamwork and communication, and they form strong family bonds. Wolves are not just hunters, they are one of the smartest animals on Earth. So, why don't most people know about these wolves? Because many live in remote, extreme environments, far from human civilization. And some are so rare that very few people have ever seen them. The world is full of incredible creatures, and wolves are just the beginning. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.